For the julienne cut, cut long thin matchstick shape pieces about 4 cm in length. For brunoise, slice small dice cube size between 1 to 3 mm square. For paisan cut, this cut may be either square, triangle, circle of half, or half rounds. Cut thinly for about 1 to 2 mm thick. For paisan, this cut may be either square, triangles, circle of half, or half round. This cut measurely thin for about 1 to 2 mm thick.